How to save songs on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. Here, tap on the search bar on the top. After that, type in the name of your preferred artist. Then, from the suggestions, tap on the artist. Now, scroll through and play a song from the list. I will go with this one over here. Then, open up the Now Playing screen from the bottom of the screen. Here, tap on the plus icon on the right. This song has now been added to your liked songs on Spotify. You can do the same for the next songs or any other song that you want to add to your liked songs list on Spotify. So, just go ahead and follow these simple steps and you can easily save songs on Spotify.